Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series, video number 34. So today we were talking about the directly proportional and inversely proportional problem. So, if x and y are directly proportional, the notations will be y proportional to x, and then the equations with the k is the constant, which is number, so y equal kx, and the relationship for directly proportional is if x increasing, y is increasing. If x decreasing, then y decreasing. So they have the same directions. For example, the more candy you buy, the higher the total cost you pay. And with the inversely proportional, we will have y proportional to 1 over x. Or with the equations, k is still a constant, which is the number, so y equal k over x. And with the relationship x increasing, y will be decreasing. X decreasing, y will be increasing. So they have the opposite directions. For example, the more worker we have, the less time we spend to complete a task. So let's talking about the TSI question number 2 video. With the same informations at when x equal 3, y equal 2, and when x equal 9, what is y value, right? But in the case of directly proportional, which is this case is TSI question number 2, we will have y equal kx, right? Y equal kx, that is our formula. But now we have to find what k is, right? So the first relationship is when you have y equal 2, yeah, y equal 2, and x is equal 3. So you have that 2 equal k times 3. So we find k. K will be equal 2 over 3. We did it in the last video, right? So how we have k equal 2 over 3? We divide both sides by 3 so that we isolate k. So divide both sides by 3. So we have that 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times k is k, and k is 2 over 3. Now we plug k in the formula, right? So we will have y is equal 2 over 3x. Now use that formulas, we can find out what is y value, right? Y value when x is 9, so when x equal 9, right? And we will have 2 times 9 is 18, divided by 3 is 6. Okay? How about if it's inversely proportional? So we would do the formulas at y equal k over x. Then we plug in y equal 2. We use the given informations. Y equal 2 times k equal k over x is 3. Now to isolate k, we multiply 3 both sides. Okay, so that 3 and that 3 is cancelled. Now your k is equal 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 is 6. So we plug that k in here to find the formula. So we have here is y equals 6 divided by x. Okay, now when x equals 9, what is y value? So y is equal 6 divided by 9. And we simplify this one. 6 is 2 times 3. 9 is 3 times 3. So we cancel that 3. We have 2 over 3. How about if we don't remember the equations? Can we solve the problem? Yes, we can, right? So based on the relationship, we understand that if x increasing, y increasing, directly proportional first, right? In this case. So we know that we have x is from 3, go to 9, right? So y will be increased with the same factors. And this factor is k, right? But we know that it will increase in the same factor. So y will be increased how much right here, right? So now we will see from 3, you want to go to 9, you multiply with 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So we use the same factor at 3 times 2. The answer have to be 6, and it's matching. It's easy. How we know the factors? So we take 9, we divide by 3, you got 3. Alright? Now, it's similar to the inversely proportional. We know it's opposite directions. So in the directly proportional, you multiply by 3 for x, you multiply by 3 for y, since they do the same directions, right? Now it's opposite directions, so now this side, when x is equal 3, right? X equal 3, then it's moved to 9. It increased to 9, right? So from 3 to 9, it's increasing. So 3 go to 9, it's increasing. And then for y, it's from 2, it will go to what number, right? And we know if x increasing, of course from 3 to 9 is increasing, right? So we know that y have to be decreasing. So it increasing for x is multiplied by 3, factor of 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. X increasing by factor of 3, then y will be opposite, mean it will be decreasing by factor of 3. So you take 2 divided by 3, you got 2 over 3. So for this type of questions about proportional, directly proportional, or inversely proportional, making sure you understand directly proportional mean you will have x and y will be increased or decreasing with the same factor, right? So for inversely proportional, when x increasing, y will be decreasing. It's opposite directions. When x decreasing, y will be increasing. So it means if x increasing, you multiply by a factor, right? K, then you will divide your y value to factor k, and then you will have the y value. Thank you for watching the video and see you next time.